When the property that is now Lemon Creek Wildflower Preserve was developed as a golf course in the early 1970s, 6 major freshwater ponds were created in the eastern and central portions of the property. The ponds were dug with steep sides that limited opportunities for wetland plantings along the edges. Many of them were interconnected with a system of underground pipes and drainage ditches. In addition to rainwater, the ponds received stormwater runoff from neighboring communities that were developed along with the golf course as part of a master plan for the area. The ponds were used as water hazards and as part of the irrigation system for the fairways and greens. Lemon Bay Conservancy volunteers began testing water quality in the ponds in 2011, shortly after the Conservancy purchased the property, and we learned that the ponds contained higher than optimal levels of nitrogen and phosphorus. High levels of those nutrients are a concern because water from the ponds drains to the west into Lemon Creek and from there into Lemon Bay. Excess nutrients reaching the bay are detrimental to the bay's water quality and can contribute to problems such as red tide. It isn't possible to change the fact that neighborhood stormwater flows into the preserve, but we can work to improve the situation. So a key objective of the habitat restoration project that Lemon Bay Conservancy undertook in partnership with the Southwest Florida Water Management District and NOAA was to improve water quality within the preserve before the water reaches the bay. We worked to achieve this objective by expanding the ponds, opening up the interconnections between the ponds, adding gradually sloping sides, and planting more than 60,000 wetland plants along the pond edges that will help filter out excess nutrients. You can see many of these wetland changes when you're standing at Special Interest Point E in the preserve. In the distance to the east is Turtle Pond. Turtle Pond connects into Long Pond, and Long Pond connects into Moorhen Pond. To the west and out of view from this location, when water levels are high, Moorhen Pond connects via a drainage channel to Lemon Creek. As you enjoy the beauty from this overlook, take a moment to notice the variety of plants growing along the wetland edges. We'll provide additional information about these plantings in a separate video in this series.